Let's get rich. You got that right. Now let me give you a bit of a context what I'm really referring to here as the word rich, because everybody's rich is different. To me, it is spending time with the loved ones. No amount of money can actually fill the void of our parents, our children, our siblings. Now let's get into it. If you're in your mid-40s like myself, most likely you're juggling families, children, your own future. You're either paying mortgage, saving up for a mortgage, paying children's private tuition fees, or you're saving up for children's future. You're working to the bone. Your missus or your partner are working to the bone as well. Now one day you get this phone call from your parents or from your in-laws, and bang, your life is about to change. Everything that you are doing, now everything's gotta stop. And you're gonna jump back with your folks, try to assist them to see how bad that fall was. How did that fall happen? Where did it go wrong? Now they're juggling between hospital. You're now thinking about what are the options on the table. They wanna stay home, they wanna age at home. Just like my folks, you are now facing a challenge that you've never faced before. You're looking through internet, Googling information, reaching out to your mates, you're reaching out to your colleagues. Anyone you can reach out to, you're reaching out and trying to find information. Internet is full of information. Now where do you go? How do you start? Though it sounds pretty crazy, it is the reality that we currently live in. Well mate, you're not alone. Some of us are on the same boat as you are. An Australian government has designed this new aged care program called the Support at Home, which was the old aged care of home care. From November 1st, 2025, Support at Home will come in, and it is designed for our older Australians to stay home for as long as possible. Now, let's unpack a little bit more. Most older Australians that I have spoken to, and probably you have spoken to, they all want to stay home and age at home, where everything is familiar. The environment is familiar, the neighbor is familiar. It is the neighborhood that they can relate to. But the reality is, without the right support, aging at home can be a real challenge. Just like I told you, one bad fall can actually stop your life. That's why the government is introducing Support at Home program. It is designed to keep older Australians at home. There will be a few services included in this program. Services like meal prep, transport, cleaning, personal care, assisting with shower, putting lotion on your dry skin, help you with medication assistance, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech pathologist, dietitian, registered nurse, all under one simple system. Instead of juggling multiple programs, it is designed to give you all the support that your folks and my folks need to stay at home independently under one program. Aging at home doesn't mean it needs to be done alone. It only means with the right support, you can age well. Our parents can age well. Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing more information on Support at Home program over the next few weeks.